Alright then, looks like it's time to put together this Knight-Judicator. This is quite a nice model actually. We're back to push fit as well, so I'm going to try my best to pretty much build this without any glue. Unless I see a particular part that I think, yeah, that probably needs holding in place better. So I'm going to start off, we've got a choice of heads. Now, I'm looking at the heads, I think I prefer the kind of tufted one here, the one with the, I don't know, whatever that kind of weird brush thing is. That's the one I'm definitely preferring here. Okay, next we need parts 3 and 4. This is this main body bit. Then front of the body as well. Quite a few points cleaning up on this one by the look of it. So many attachment points on this one, wasn't there? Just trying to get anywhere that might have an attachment. Okay, there we go. I'm trying to bring up my courage at the moment to build one of a new Knight. It's just I remember how long it took last time. I just don't want to go through it. But I keep reminding myself I don't have to magnetise this whole thing, so I can. And I think that's what's holding me back. It took so much time last time doing magnetising and everything. Right. So head pops in here. Quite weird positioning that head, isn't it? What is it? Let me just double, yeah. Then pop this in. This. There we go. Nice and simple. Now, 10 and 11. a look here. Kind of conscious that this kind of pops into here. So if you were planning on a sub-assembly approach, this might cause problems. However, you might be able to pull those apart anyway. I'm not gluing it intentionally, so I might be able to pop that apart later on. Now, number 5 for the boat. Very large bow, this, isn't it? Knife now, get these bits off. As we probably know by now, these dang bows are terrible. Bowstrings are terrible for snapping off. Look at this, I'm just trying to tie it a little bit up and it's bending the bow like crazy. Let's get this. Also, if I try and put it in the right place, eh? Right, this could be quite a hard little one to do because you have to put quite a bit of pressure to get this one in, and it'll click at the front as well. Feels like that one at the front probably could do with a bit of glue, but it does stay on. It doesn't definitely need glue, but I'd say it would help. Okay, now looking at this cloak, quite thankful that it looks like it'll be a loose, kind of a loose push in. See if I can just loosely push this in, because this is definitely a part that I would rather remove for painting. I find cloaks notorious for being a pain. There we go. Oh, good, and it looks like it's quite a loose fit, so it'll pop out again. Okay, bows. Arrow kit now. So we've got number 6 here. And then the other parts, 7 and 8. Yeah, I think this is the last of our Stormcasts now as well. Or at least, no, that can't be right, because I'm sure we get some dragons later on. Sure of it. 100% certain we do. Some like proper flying beasties. Right. So, what did I just do then? That's right, try that again, shall I? Without, gosh, these are springy, aren't they? Like they're going to just bounce away. That's the other half. I think I need to go something like this. Like that over there. Make sure it's going on the right way, hopefully. Then slide this one over it. Then it's showing that it's going to pop onto the back of this. Now, there we go. Again, quite a loose fit so that we can take it all off for painting, which I'm pleased about. I think in some models, just being able to pop things apart and paint in sections is so useful. There we go. Nice. All together. Let's get this Griff Hound. This is a built. So 15, 16 and 17. Looks like this should be quite easy, this. These look slightly bit larger than the other Griff Hounds. This tail's safe so it doesn't snap. Little bits, and then this one's hopefully going to be popping together quite easily. Oh, that's nice and simple. I'll put the bases over somewhere else. I'll grab them in a second. Alright, last three bits. Oh yeah, 3 bits, and then you got a spare head as well for it too. And get these tidied up. Spike me then. Oh. Trying to save my voice at the moment. I got a horrible sore throat last week and still kind of fighting the end of it. Well, the last 3 weeks actually. Okay. And here we go, bases. It should be nice and simple this part. Just pop them in. And we are done. There he is. Knight-Judicator with 2 Griff hounds. It's quite a nice little thing that with his 2 pets. I keep calling them pets, but they're guards. So there we go. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you for the next video, which will be those lovely moon clan shooters.